YouTube, y'all see us today. Mr. Random checking in on the 1973 Chevy Nova Classic. Base model 2 on the car. We've been picked up yesterday, you heard me? So, we just pulled it off the yard. This how it came. This how it came. No spindle on this side. Gotta order the spindle. And we just about to do a little wash down. Got the whole front cap with the cup. I'll show y'all right quick just to make it one video, but we're gonna go through another one. Rigging it down, front bumper, transfer cross member, header support, brand new GM fenders, all the trim. See what that say? GM certified, baby. GM certified. Yeah. Brand new type shit, yeah, right? What barrel full of parts too. And we're gonna look into this in another video. I just wanted to wash it down today. And let's see where we can make it look like. Look at the picture now, before. I'll go around the car, show y'all how she looking. We're definitely gonna need seals. A lot of little surface rust, you can see that, the white down. All of this solid. Check them out. Got one little hole right there. LS swap mounts already on the car. You see that? Just the LS. 5.5 LS. Straight to the frame. I don't know if he drilled them or not. I can make sure they tight or whatever for, just go over everything. You got some of these here. Rolls. They took the door trimming off. See, he had a little work done, the body work. I'm gonna finish it all. Just the original color of the cup. The original door. See the hole. Dash don't look too bad. Cool. Random got him a project, y'all. Random got him a project, y'all. Floor ain't too bad. Big bench seat. And I'm leaving it bench too. Ooh. Family gonna like this one. Put a nice little mold in this bed. I seen a little hole up under there. I ain't gonna pull this back seat out. I ain't gonna pull it out. You see the daylight? It's under that weather stripper, but oh yeah, baby. Door closed like a sugar factory. Got all the trim. Got all the wheels. Trunk lined up good. A little rough right there. Y'all, I'll show y'all the little pinholes in the trunk once I take all the interior pieces out. See the body. And the surface rust. Take care of all of that. See, the car been sitting 12 years. This shit though, gotta mess with the lock. I was able to get it open. But it seemed like it's locking but not latching to keep it tight. Y'all see it, man. I think I got me one game. I got me something nice, huh? Y'all talk to me. Let me know what y'all think about the 1973 Nova, baby. Let me know what you think. Look, what I'm talking about. Look. She'll close, but probably just gotta adjust something. Let y'all see it. She good, man. Look. Solid, bro. Solid, bro. I don't even be saying that, putas. Yeah, look. Solid, bro. solid, bro. Keep it 100 with you. I seen one little hole around here. He said he had a piece of trim going around here. So I guess there's one that I had to fill that they trim attached to. And we got one right here. And I seen another right there. And besides that, all up under the trunk and everything perfect. Perfect, man. So let me get it washed up. We'll see more detail of the car as I start working on it. So I'm gonna set you up, get it washed down, and I'll cut y'all on in a minute, baby. I'm just gonna do a quick wash off. I ain't gonna do I ain't gonna detail it. That's all. When I finish working on it today, I'll be able to messing with me. Then I'm trying to get y'all. I ain't even gotta say all today. I had to call Nova. I said, from Nova, what year your car in? You said it's a 73. What's going on, Chico? I said, bet that. I said, I'm holler at you. You said, what you doing, Randall? I said, I'm trying to pull something up, you heard? I said, stay tuned. I get it. 73. Big old 73 Chevy Nova coming with me. Yeah, oh, got see how it's coming. Got to hop in my fleet. Coming out pretty good. 4L the E coming up your street. Skirt, that's me. Gotta wash that back. Wind started blowing hard. Hit your wig, all type of stars. Wind blowing hard, but see how it's coming, baby. Lock my phone down once. I'm gonna throw it on the charge. I'll give it y'all a little bit. Alright, YouTube. So I finished washing it. I'm sorry, I said washing it. I'm finished washing it. The windshield, nice and clear. I did discover some more rust, guys. I did discover some more rust, but for the most part, she's solid and nice and pretty. Now let me show you the rust that I discovered. See that? So, what I could do, see all of that? I didn't notice that, but I still would have bought it. See all of that? I could just strip that section. Of course, I'll have to take this rear glass out. You see all of that? But under the trunk is pretty solid. Let me grab a key right quick. I did slip this bumper on too. I have decided to go ahead and start assembling. I'm gonna order that spindle, order 2 new spindles, and keep rolling. Let me grab the key, y'all. All right, gang. Even the trunk and everything. So a little bit right here. I'm just gonna fiberglass that. But it's go time, man. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do right now. I would like to just cut it out. That'll be a simple fix. Find me a nice long piece of metal. The only thing I need to take the glass off. But as y'all can see, all the tracks and stuff ain't nothing compared to that Trans Am. So look, that's it right now. Probably could actually even order that. We good, man. Shit. Is you see? That's it. You hear me? That's him right there. Like I said, I could take that trim out, take that glass, and we'll be fully exposed, baby. I don't see the trunk. Minimum. I don't see the trunk sticker. I don't see the trunk sticker, gang. I don't see the trunk sticker. One little patch. Two little patch. That's work I gotta do, you know? Feel me? So I don't think she's too bad. I'm still happy. Definitely couldn't beat it for the price. Definitely can't beat it for the price. So perfect. Perfect. Undo. So y'all lock in with me. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated and posted on this show. All that water I got up in that door. Might have to pot me a little drain hole or something in there. She good though, she. I think I got me something, y'all. And of course I'm keeping my bench seat. Keeping my bench seat, baby. So y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna holler at you on the next one. Yeah, if you ain't know, get your little Monte Carlo content too. What's going on with the Monte, man? Just put some new tires on the back. Just dumped another tune up in there. Trying to lower the shift settings on the transmission up miles per hour. So I think we should be straight. Cause I tried to get him to fix the shift points and it went back to acting crazy. Not acting crazy, but not shifting at all at wide open throttle. So I'm dumping what I had. Actually, I lowered that tire size too, and it loaded. It changed the miles per hour for the shift point, like down 5 something. It was like he had it like at 75 miles per hour, like from second to third. So I think we gonna be Gucci. Just gotta finish. I need to bring this seatbelt back to the guy. Maybe I can do that today too. Take this out, bring it back to him, because they're on opposite sides. See this one here? This way, and on that side, that one turned out. Y'all see that pretty pattern, baby, huh? You need to get you some. Get you some. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's going to be a pretty situation here. I don't know, folks, man. Y'all hop up in that pretty situation and let me know if that. Oh, yeah. New trim, huh? Oh, he put that on. Hell, yeah. I got to adjust my windshield wiper. Yeah, man. Y'all see old jokes. Old joke. We got to hop on the SF too. We'll be playing with the old Nova. So y'all comment, like, share, subscribe. Tell me what y'all think I should do about this here. Should I just go ahead on and take this rear glass out after I get the car back together in the process of getting it running, or just this what I think I should do? I think I should get it running, and then once I get it inside, I could take this out. And then I could do that before I decide to paint it. Y'all comment, like, share, subscribe. And tune in. Mr. Randall on a 73 Nova, the 03 SS truck, and an 85 Monte Carlo. I'm gonna holler at y'all on the next one, baby. And a 1978 Trans Am with a boosted 5.3. Range gap 2830. 6.0 getting built. She for sale, and I got a nice LQ9. Going in the old Nova. Mr. Random here, baby. We checking in and out. About to install these spraying. Get this joke on. Joke. Talk to me now. Come on, y'all. Talk to me.